Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to see third class on solid state of 12th class chemistry. So that second previous video we have done, right? This is the continuous video of second video, previous one, right? So I hope you are practicing well and try to understand, practice 2 or more times and try to keep in your mind and practice other problems also. If you get any doubt, contact number was given to you, you contact me, you will get a complete clarification. Yes, my contact number was given in description, you all follow. If you get any comment, if you get any doubt, directly talk to me, you will get 100% clarification which help you to achieve good marks and good practice, right? So let us see our class. Actually that is a continuous class of second video of 12th class. Now see that question number 3. Question number 3. With all atoms, right? With all atoms and H is removed. Okay, then calculate formula. Okay, now then calculate the formula. First of all, see what they have given according to that given question. With all atoms and edge is removed. Actually, we have three-dimensional unit cell. Let me write on the board. This is the three-dimensional unit cell, right? Yeah. This is three-dimensional unit cell, right? These are the corners, 8 corners. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. Right, let us see face centers. One face, second face, third face, fourth face. This is what is that? This is front face, right? This area is front face. This is the back face, right? So now this is body center. This is the body center. Then this is edge center. Okay, the spheres or atoms are occupied on each and every edge center, right? These are the edge centers, right? So totally how many edge centers are there? These are the corners, these are the face centers, these are the corners, these are the face center, then edge center, then this is the body center, This is the three-dimensional unit cell. According to the given question, with all atoms and edge is removed, this edge was removed. This edge is removed. You have to separate this. Yes, according to that question, this edge was removed. This edge was removed. So this is the corner, this is the corner, here the corner atom, then edge center atom, right? Now we can calculate the formula based on this given question. Now see, A atoms equal to. So totally how many corner atoms are there? 8 atoms. So based on this given question, how many corner atoms are removed? So this is 1, this is 1. 2 corner atoms are removed. You have to write. Then its contribution is 1 by 8. Very easy. So 8 minus 2, that is what 6 divided by 6 into 1 by 8. So finally how much you will get? How much you will get? R. So let me write 3 by 4 is the answer. Then B. B means what? Actually, so number of phase centers. Number of phase centers. Totally how many phase centers are there? 6 phase centers are there. Now, if a phase is not removed according to this given question, so that's what 6 into 1 by 2, because the contribution of phase is of 1 by 2. So that's what we have to write. So and 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what we have to get? 3, you will get it. Then go for C. C means what? Number of edges. Number of edges. Totally how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. So according to this question, how many edges are removed? Only one atom. So 12 minus 1 into its contribution is 1 by 4, that's all. So that is equal to how much you will get? 11 into 1 by 4. So that's what 11 by 4 directly you will write it. Then go for D. So D means what? Number of body centers. Number of body centers are 1. So nothing is removed. Body center is not removed. So minus 0. So you will get, yes, its contribution is 1. So that's what? So 1. Directly you will get 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Right? Now see that this value A, how much they have given here? Let me write here. A, so 3 by 4, that is multiplied by 4. Right? Then go for B. B, how much value? 3. So B3 into multiplied with 4. Then C, how much they have given C? 11 by 4 multiplied with 4. Then go for D. Yes, that's what D 1. So that is multiplied with 4. So here, yeah. Yes, are you getting? So D1 into 4. Now you can write it. 4 cancel. Then A3 left and B12. 3 4s are 12. Then C 4 cancel. Then C11. Then D4. This is the formula. Understood all of you? You practice once again. Very simple. First of all, you have to draw 3-dimensional unit cell along with all the spheres which are occupied by each and every corner, each and every face, and each and every edge center and body center. According to this question, according to this question, what is that? An edge is with all atoms, an edge is removed. Okay, what is that edge? This is an edge. So you can take it. Either you can take it or this one. Anyone you can take it. So this edge is removed. This edge as, so what is it? 2 corner atoms. One is a edge, sphere or atom. So according to that, so totally 8 corner atoms are there here. Based on this question, 2 corner atoms are removed. So 8 minus 2. So its contribution is 1 by 8. So that is equal to 6 into 1 by 8. So finally you will get 3 by 4. That's all. Then go for B. Totally 6 faces are there. So its contribution is 1 by 2. If you do the calculation, finally you will get 3. Then go for C. Write 12 minus 1 because of one edge. One edge atom is removed. 12 minus 1, its contribution is 1 by 4 is equal to 11 by 1, 11 into 1 by 4. Finally you will get 11 by 4. So D is equal to 1. Totally one body center is there. So nothing is removed. Body center is not removed. So 1 minus 0, its contribution is 1. So finally you will get 1. So each and every value is multiplied with 4. So that's what A 3 by 4 multiplied with 4. B 3. So B3 multiplied with 4, and C also 11 by 4 also multiplied with 4, and D also multiplied with 4. So finally we will get A3 B12 C12, A3 B12 C11 C11 D4 is the final formula. I hope you understood, practiced well. Yes. Dear students, let us go for fourth question. Right? According to this question, with all atoms one phase is removed, then calculate the formula. Right? One phase should be removed. Then according to this question, let me draw on the board. Yes. This is one phase was removed. Right? This one phase has 4 corner atoms. Right? 4 corner atoms. Then 4 edge centers. 4 edge centers. Then one phase center. One phase center. Then go for the calculation. Right? This is the solution. A is equal to totally how many corner atoms are 8. So totally how many corner atoms are removed? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4. Then its contribution is 1 by 8 is equal to 4 into 1 by 8. So how much you will get? So 1s are, that is a 2s are, right? 1s are and 2s are, right? So you will get of 1 by 2. Then go for the B. Totally how many phases are there? 6 phases. Here how many phases is there? Only one phase. So 6 minus 1, definitely its contribution is 1 by 2 is equal to 5 into 1 by 2. So and 5 by 2 you will get it. Go for C. Totally how many edge centers are there? 12 edge centers. Here how many edges are removed? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write 4. And its contribution is 1 by 4. So finally how much you will get? 8 into 1 by 4. Then 1s are and 2s are is equal to 2. You will get it. Right, go for D. So totally how many body centers are there? 1, and body center is not removed. So this is 0 and its contribution is 1. Finally you will get it. Right, then go for A. So 1 by 2 multiplied with 4, and go for B. 5 by 2 multiplied with 4, and then go for C. 2 into multiplied with 4, then go for D 1 and multiplied with 4. Now let us get formula, final formula. Yes, 2 1s are 2 2s are A2, and then here 2 2s are, then B10, right? Here C8, then D4. This is the formula, final formula. Understood all of you? Okay, then stop. Dear students, go for a fifth question. Right, with all atoms, a body diagonal is removed. Body diagonal means half of the body is removed. So totally 12 edges are there. Totally 8 corners are there. Totally 6 faces are there. Right, these half of them are removed. Right, total body, half of this total body, so unit cell is removed. So here totally and 8 corner atoms, 4 are removed. 6 face centers, so 3 are removed. 12 edge centers, half of them means 6 are removed. So body center is making half. So that's what here A is equal to totally 8. So half of them means what here? 8 corner atoms. So here and 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So 4, and its contribution is 1 by 8. So 4 into 1 by 8. So this is what finally 1, 2s are. This half is left. Then go for B. Totally 6 faces are there. Right? 6 faces are there. So half of them are removed because of body diagonal is removed, right? Yes. So B totally 6 faces are there and half of them are removed, right? Here 1, 2, then 3, right? 3 and its contribution is 1 by 2. So 3 into 1 by 2, that is what, 3 by 2. Then go for C, 12 edge centers are there, half of them are removed, 6 and its contribution is 1 by 4. So body diagonal means half of each and every atoms are removed, right? So that's what, here 8, half of them are removed. So minus 4. Here 6, half of them are removed. 6 minus 3. Here 12, half of them are removed. 12 minus 6. So that is multiplied with the contribution. Then what we have to get? Here 6 and 1 by 4. Directly you will get 3 by 2. Then go for D. This is 8 minus half and its contribution is 1 because this body diagonal is passing through a body center. So it is making half, 2 halves. So that's what here what we have to get. This is half into 1. So totally that is the half. Now we'll calculate the formula. A how much? 1 by 2 multiplied with 4. Then go for B, 3 by 2 multiplied with 4. Then go for C, this is the 3 by 2, right, multiplied with 4. Then D, so half multiplied with 4. Now directly you will get what? A2 and B6, here also C6, then D and 2. This is the formula, right? Then go for 6th question. Yes. Dear students, let us go for 6th question. With all atoms, a face diagonal is removed. Right? Face diagonal was drawn on the board. Here, this is one face diagonal. Half of that face was removed. Right? Based on that, now here, the diagonal line is passing through a face center atom. Right? These are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 edge centers are there. So now a number of corner atoms are 8. So how many corner atoms are removed here? Half of that. So 1. So here 1 corner. Right here 1 corner. 8 minus 1 into its contribution 8. So finally you will get a 9 into 1 by 8. Finally 9 by 8 you will get. Then go for B. So face centers. Face centers means what? 6, right? So half of that means the diagonal line is passing through a face center. So face center sphere is becoming half. So this half goes to here. This second half goes to here. So that's what. So finally its contribution is 1 by 2. Then how much? So this is the 5 end of into, that is what, half. Finally how much you will get? So 5 by 4 you will get. Then go for C. Totally edge centers are 12. So how many edge centers are separated? This side 1 and 2. So 12 minus 2. Its contribution is 1 by 4. So finally you will get what? 10 and divided 10 into divided by 4. So finally 5 by 2. Then go for D. So D is face center is not removed. So that's what 1 minus 0 and its contribution is 1. So finally you will get 1. Then go for the formula. A 9 by 8 and into 4. Right? So then B and here 5 by 4 and multiplied by the 4. Then go for C. Here also 5 by 2 multiplied with 4. Then D1 multiplied with the 4. So directly here and approximately this 1 and 2. So 9 by 2 approximately how much? 3.5. So a 3.5 round figure is 4. So that is what A4. Then and 4 cancel, that is a B5. Here 2 then C10, sorry, C10. Here dear students, this is 8 minus 1, that is what 7. Instead of 7 I have written 9. So this is what 7 by 8, that is right. So after the calculation what 7 by 2, so approximately 3.5. 3.5 round figure, you have to take it as a round figure. So A4 you will get, B5 you will get, and here, so what C10 and D4, this is the final formula. Dear students, you have to practice more than 2 times, right? The continuous video will be done tomorrow. You have to practice and see the video, share the video, then subscribe, like it. Thank you all.